This is John Locke, and today's question comes to us from Facebook. This one goes like this. So I've got a website. At the top there's a section with a image, and there's writing in that image, so there's text in the image. Now I know that I'm supposed to have an H1 tag up near the top of the page. Is there a way that I can put that in the page, hide it with CSS? Is there a way that Google will see it where I can add it? So that question is a really good question. Now I do see this from time to time where people have either text in an image on that top part of the home page or the top part of your main page, and you should have a H1. That's the most important, not the most important part. The title tag and the H1, those should basically tell Google what your page is about. So my advice to you is this. If there is a way to redo that section of the page to where you have the image and it's blank, and then instead of having the words in the image, like actually superimpose that H1 title tag, the H1 text on top of that image, that's what I would do. Even if you have to change the image or hire somebody to Photoshop it or something like that. And the reason being, Google can't really read that text inside the image all that well. Now, a lot of things are getting good at image detection, like Google and Facebook. They do have a certain sophistication to image recognition, and maybe they could read the text in the image, but I wouldn't really bank on it. If you just have regular marked up text in HTML, like proper H1s, H2s, and things like that, that's always going to be better than having image in the text. So what I would do is I would rework that section to where you have proper like a image in the background, and then just that text as a H1 tag over the top. Now, could you put a H1 in there and then hide it with CSS? You could definitely do that. Now, Google does see markup in the page that's hidden with CSS that is set to display none. It actually does crawl that, and I've seen instances where people manipulate that with links and things like that. But I wouldn't really count on methods like that. The best way to do it is to have the visible text that is the obvious title of the page superimposed on top of the image. Hope that answers this question. My name's John Locke. My business is Lockedown Design and SEO. We help manufacturing and industrial firms with SEO so they get more RFQs. If you have a SEO question you'd like to see us answer, drop it in the comments below. And remember, we're publishing videos every week, so please subscribe. Until next time, peace.